Timothy Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about a game changer. We have got a brand new red hot marketing system for the VIP Savings Club. The VIP Savings Club is absolutely on a tear to the upside. We're going to invite you to come along in side and look and see. This is life-changing information we're going to share with you today. So make sure you like the video, hit the like button, smash the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Again, make sure you like the video. It helps push the algorithm a little higher. So I really appreciate it. Guys, I'll tell you what, residual income has never been this good. We want you to focus on residual income. You have residual bills. Why not have residual income? This is income that can come in for the remainder of your life. Before we get started with the VIP Savings Club and this brand new red hot marketing system, I'm going to tell you why we've got it. I'm going to tell you how we got it and how you can get your hands on it today. But before we get started, guys, make sure we look over the YouTube channel. We've got several opportunities, guys and gals. We are growing our income exponentially. And I tell you what, making money from home has never been this good, has never been this easy. All you do is plug and play. And I tell you what we're doing, we're marketing big ticket, make money today on the front side, and on the back side, we're building the residual income of our dreams. And that's incredible. We've got programs that can help you to make hundreds, if not thousands per week right now, to while you're building the residuals out to several thousands per month. Our main residual income, of course, is American Bill Money, and now we've added VIP Team Builder, game changer, folks. Let me show you what we've got our hands on. We've got this marketing system, and the VIP Savings Club is incredible. I'm going to bring several videos. We're going to have some very good videos, some training, and all the support that you would ever need in the world when you partner with us in this system. My sponsor, the man, the myth, the legend, Jose Green, decided that we wanted a marketing system that can put everything together. And of course, there's a marketing system provided by the company. You can use this system or the free version. And let me show you if I can find that. Here's one of the company provided capture pages. So there's no right or wrong, but it's whatever resonates with you. And what we wanted a system that would put all of it into one and personalize it. And then we asked Leroy at My Capture Page to develop us a marketing system that can help us to grow our business exponentially. And we've got one that will convert like crazy. This is what to do today immediately. You join VIP Savings Club today immediately. The first 10, 15, 20,000 people in this program are going to absolutely clean up. The first 10,000 in this program, this is a way people are going to save on vacations. They're going to save on travel. They're going to save on eating. They're going to save on all kinds of things. Papa John's, Red Lobster, your local things that we do. Because it's a Savings Club app. I'm not going to go into the nuts and bolts of it today. I'm going to talk about the marketing system today. But get started. And you can save money and make money. And Leroy has done an incredible job. I'm introducing the marketing system in this video. VIP Savings Club is so great, guys. I won't have enough time to cover everything in this video because the video would get too long. But I want you to check out this a marketing system. This has 2 months of email follow-up, and where we're going to get traffic from. We're going to go over here, and you're going to buy some clicks over at Udemy Solo Ads. And of course, guys, our team will be doing a rotator sooner or later. Probably sooner than later, but you want to get your own traffic too, guys and gals. To be honest with you, you want to order your postcards, your flyer. We've got several different proven postcards that you can get involved with, and we're going to show you where we're getting success from with the VIP Savings Club. Let me show you the postcard. I'm going to put the link for the postcard that we're going to use. There are 2 different postcards. We've got one at Smarts that you can order. Anybody, you can be on anybody's team. You can order it from Smarts. Look at that postcard, folks. That thing's incredible. I'm going to do a separate video just talking about this postcard. A program that delivers savings. This is the VIP Savings Club at Smarts. Billy has one over there at the Postal Annex also that you can order for the VIP Savings Club. This is a 5x5 times a 5x8 postcard. So it's about like a little bit bigger than a 5x7 postcard. and it's incredible. Live the American dream. So we're excited about what we've got going on with the VIP Savings Club. Start living the dream today. So get your postcards, or get the marketing system, whether you're going to use the company provided marketing system. Well, number one, you're going to join. Number two, you're going to get the marketing system or get the company provided marketing system. Order your postcards. You can run traffic. It is go time. I mean, we have waited. That's why I hadn't done a lot of marketing. I waited for the marketing system. Okay, what it says, save 75% of the things you buy every day, like food, dining, auto care, and travel. It is a hybrid shared up bonus plan. And I've got other videos talking about this shared up plan. Like I said, in this video, I can't talk about everything in one video, but we'll be breaking it up in pieces and showing you what to do with it. Pays 100% commissions weekly, monthly residuals for life. That's what we are attempting to do. Find 3-4 good residual in programs and let them potentially pay you for the remainder of your life. Of course, as an income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. When you opt in, they're going to go to a 3-minute video, and it will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you about the VIP Savings Club so you never have to. Is this the plan? Is this the strategy? You're going to today join VIP Savings Club. You're going to get the link of whoever referred you. If I referred you, you're going to get the link. Look at the back office. You're going to have the dashboard, the finance. You're going to be able to find deals. You can stats. We got a promotional system. I can't cover it all in one video. Absolutely incredible. And then access to the portal savings. You can save, and you get paid out through Wise. All you do is Wise, just set up a Wise account. Very simple to do. Be set up in a few minutes, and they can pay you straight into your bank account every single Friday. Great things are happening over at VIP Savings Club. Now, when they come to your capture page, they're going to opt in, and they're going to get an email, immediate email from you. There's about, I think, 15 to 20 messages back there that Leroy said will go out over the next 60 days to your prospects. Let's watch this video quickly and learn more about this marketing system. And this right here, this is worth its weight in gold. The entire presentation that will sell 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Folks, we've got a business in a box. All you do, let me make myself apparently clear, is just take a few minutes, set your system up, which is 1, 2, 3 simple. Get your postcards, get some traffic, tell somebody, do a video, do a Facebook post, and just get some traffic to it. This can and will convert like crazy. And I'm going to break that presentation up. I'm not going to go through the presentation. I'm just going to look at the 3-minute video that Leroy has created for us. Let's look at the video and enjoy this video, and I'll be off. But folks, join VIP today. Oh, because the money making potential is staggering. Absolutely. Let me show you this before I go to the video. Let me show you. Look at this. If you refer 4 people, the way it works, you're gonna refer your 4 people. You're gonna pass up. You're gonna keep your first and third. You're gonna share up. You're gonna share up your second and fourth. You're gonna share that $20, $40, $20 to you, $20 to your sponsor, and everybody that is shared up to you has got to pass up their second and fourth. Absolutely a game changer. Look at the money it can make, $10,000 per month. As your team grows, your monthly income can double. The compensation plan is amazing. But again, that's what the video for. Let's watch this, guys and gals, and then I'll be off the video. I'll be off, and we'll come back to you in another video. Powerful. Woo! Folks, this presentation is going to get people excited about VIP Savings Club. We're going to sell so many memberships. This is the subscription economy that I've been telling everybody about. This is the plan. This is the solution. This is what financial freedom can look like for you. Sidebar note, I did a video talking about VIP Savings Club about 3 weeks ago, but I wanted to wait until Leroy had the marketing system ready, set, go that will convert for us like crazy before I deep dive into VIP Savings Club. We've got a winner here, folks.
Picture this, a fresh start, a new beginning, an opportunity unlike any other. You're still here, still listening because like us, you crave the taste of success. We're here to hand you a complete, lucrative franchise-type system done for you. What makes us stand out, you ask? First off, you break even on your very first sign-up. No more waiting around for success to show up. It starts here, it starts now. Next, we believe in the power of full recompense. You won't be settling for scraps with us. Every time you earn what you truly deserve, 100% commissions. But it doesn't stop there. We offer a recurring and predictable income, strong customer and member retention, and the opportunity to earn a substantial income quickly with a handful of people, not thousands. Our compensation plan, the Power of 4, is designed for today's world. With merely 4 sales, this plan doubles your commissions for every level of depth in every pay line to infinity. As a member, you gain access to the largest discount platform on the planet. We're not just any cashback app. We offer unbeatable savings on everything you need. From incredible travel and hotel savings to discounts at your favorite restaurants like Olive Garden or Red Lobster, save on golf, theme parks, concerts, and much more. You'd think something like this would cost a fortune. But no, it's not $100. It's half that. For such a modest price, you get great discounts and a fast residual income that can transform your life in months, not years.
Folks, did you hear that? A fast residual income component that can transform your life in months, not years. It's go time. You get after this thing and win big.
All you need to do is share what we have. It's time for you to...
This is your call to action. This is the strategy. This is the call to action. You join today.
Stop chasing the dream and start living it. Leave behind the frustration and embrace the excitement of a new opportunity. Reach out to the person who shared this with you and we'll help you seize success. We want to thank you for your time and we look forward to hearing from you real soon.
Okay, let me get out of this here. Give me just a sec. So that concludes my presentation, guys. When you get a chance, opt into the link below. Go through this presentation if you have to look at it twice. Get signed up today. You can get your marketing system. Looks like Timothy Thomas. And get rolling with us, guys. Even if you don't get this marketing system, the company has 2 phenomenal capture pages. Again, one of them looks just like this, and they're totally free. The VIP Savings Club, when you join... here, this is only $19 a month for the marketing system. What you refer 3 people, it's free. It's going to be very simple, guys, to get it free once you start referring people. If you decide to use this marketing system, I think it's going to be well worth it. Again, I'll put the link for Udemy Solo Ads. I'm going to order some traffic over here. We're going to start winning big. Folks, that's my time for today. VIP Savings Club marketing system rocks. Start saving money, living better, saving better, and let's get to 10K per month. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next VIP Savings Club video.